got here the Amada Bandsaw, I'm sorry. Okay, this is a 440 3-phase, okay? As you can see, this picks up the handle. When you have to press start, the only way you'll determine if this is correctly is when you push this, the hydraulic should be pumping correctly. So the hydraulic's fine. To bring down, you pull this lever. That brings it down. It could go really slow. It all depends how you move the handle. If you really move it, it'll go slow, very, very, very slow. As you can see. Or you can go fast. Okay, now another thing, it tells you the blade sign. That's how the blade sign tells you the blade's supposed to go this way. This is for the clamps. It opens up. Closes up, holds your material, your blade comes down, you go ahead and bring it in, and then you start cutting. Very, very slow. As you can see, I'm going slow down, very slow. You get to control it. Of course, I'm going a little bit faster, but it's all right here. Okay, and I'm gonna speed it up. It's the limit switch, which is there. It stops it. You track it back up. You go here, open it up, pull out your material, whatever. Put your material back on, press start, that's pretty much it. Here we go again, and so forth. I'm going to stop it. This is your coolant pump. And that's pretty much it. It's a 3-phase machine. And if you have any questions, give us a call. Thank you.